Minister, deputy ranking member, Energy Committee of Parliament. Yenko din komo kakra. Enkoma ye dia from enra light bill ne water bill. Increment no aba no a take effect. New year no na amanfo bebre je dwene ho aye ntiase say dollar ba form and inflation so aba form nti ade na PURC for no calculations a ye hu sa intumu we ya Ghana for ye de bekwa kodi new year no mamene honorable Collins Adomako eni ho enkomo ewo fon yi eso honorable Machen
mini abema pacho mejo so
na me pacho ho ye de
no pay me no ka say the say Nyankopon de me kwa che no
ye de radiase sa so no wa ye de amaye ye so o de achen ya no pay na enkomo ba ko Ghana fo nyina from enra ye started sa enkomo no je say ye tiefo ne ahwefo ntiase sa increment ya PURC for Ede Brian light bill ne water bill no ye ntiase ebi amoma kwakwa members of parliament na mo energy committee ni so no o ma seda ma mo ebi a special explanation bi de enim no sa na musumu ni mu ana
yo minya be ma me san chia obim na me chia tiefo ne ahwefo ene me employers if you kwa bre no for nyame adom a ochina farmers day ye bebe fie na ya besom no cre so be kaya me kai se me no di sankomo wo mo figure so da finance minister ebe we dey 2025 budget o ma yet ase say the quarterly adjustment omo beto aso name in the last quarter of this year no ombe be a major tariff adjustment now utilities normally PURC or more ade bi o mo friend multi-year tariff adjustment and no more no every 3 to 5 years. Now this particular one now my you know when you say about inflation about from exchange rate about from this particular one on my you know omo share inflation no name interest rate no do be bresa. In fact a capital expenditure are the utilities no epese omo ye and no more to PURC for him say in the next 5 years and in the next 3 years no you perceive a major capital investment you find some person here great o share report no the buy no person here mini grades san nyoma no e no ma yes calculation na hwe say so omoto akatianim and as omoto tires limu to a certain level in the next 5 years no e be boa omo ama omo meet this capital expenditure. And no so we this statement on the buy no I think crown number the quarterly adjustment which we on the abey there. This is a multi-year relief just to take care of capital expenditure. And in the first quarter next year from January to March no say the omo ye no omo ba be share inflation exchange rate within the first quarter no matter adjustments. So the way omo it has nothing to do with the quarterly adjustments. This is a multi-year adjustment. It is actually to take care of capital expenditure.
Okay.
The EC, the 4% some transformers are cashier, 1% year Juma cashier bino. Sasika way no the best edge one.
Okay.
Apart from way no from January no, you're ready. So economic indicators no so why you should be ready. Said there will be another quarterly adjustment, which normally happens. I don't know, almost interest rates. Generation Samuel man no share at the year those at the operational markets. But as it stands now, the Oma ye is to take care of capital expenditure.
Engineer say the Oma ye besa so anya sa 3 months no mo di tum no so besa ba.
And besa ba anything that used for actually abase abanye omo enini ye. Essence omo akoye salary adjustments no for the year no. I buying no mudi say because of exchange rates ne say no man aba from ni nyina no enu nti no omonje just 9% increment in salaries say so what electricity almost 10% EC so they call almost 18% for capital expenditure for the next 5 years and sign and the quarterly adjustments so beba nti no we say Ghanaians should raise ourselves for more harsher tariff payments.
But among for bi so blame MPP aban ye twam yi ebinom fi say sa quarterly adjustment ne adjustment we ya yehui eye mumu nsese ya mo ne IMF wo ye mo ka na IMF conditionalities no eye bia enti ya se bi so fi se yemfa blame ne emma MPP aban a etwam so bi kasa one ne be ya adwen
obi obekasa bia no on the electricity or the utility arrangement obi obekasa bia on tiase the quarterly adjustment ne there it is part of PRC's mandate. And what I say, what IMF and I say only IMF conditionalities no quarterly adjustment here. In fact, as far back as 2018, 2019, in your quarterly adjustment back, it has nothing to do with IMF conditionalities. Yeah, IMF for catch and say your quarterly adjustment na no yen twaso. Now quarterly adjustment and no say adjustment be a second. And in 2018, 2019, and now Danko Ekufo Adwabanye. Electricity bar formula. So it doesn't matter whether you are under IMF conditionalities or not. Quarterly adjustment is part of PRC's mandate. In fact, the PRC they say, it's say utilities no omokoto our every generation companies no more turn in dollar terms number turn my in cedis say cedis na ho den ba form one cedis na ombeji afi consumers no omoba sasa akọ dollar akọ tua baby omokoto ade na omaboka. So anytime your CD depreciates so factor that into your tariff adjustment. So the buyer or you see this okwakotia producers now omoka. So those adjustments it doesn't matter whether you are under IMF conditionality or not. A standard process PRC for you. In fact, Energy Committee assembly by me said that busa PRC abra you see a PRC during a meeting. Me busa almost say adjustment is it because of the IMF conditionality? Omo answer and say no. Okay. It's saying so PRC for now. All this while no park from 2016, 2017, 2018. Meaning they did quarterly adjustment. It doesn't matter whether you're under IMF conditionalities or not. And your conditions are beyond the utilities. Now, a some factor into it. Say the buyer or momoka. And don't think quarterly adjustment.
But honorable Bisu can say in this instance, dollar stabilize the infant say afimuni na akosro cry 11 cedis so say 12 cedis so say it is omoka say omo ton ye manu wie no mo kosesa in cedis so omo kosesa no in dollars omo boka ade we ne it doesn't add up e was how omo adjustment we no omo person omo catch Ghana for no and now me nya adwene
asema wo ken me no ya adwen pa enunti no omo ye third quarter adjustment me as a minority group no me trigger a meeting with the PRC now yeah una time wa share PRC for reports no mo de ba no
okay
no mo de ba
okay
ayo mo trade there the factors are unnecessary and increments for the first time the third quarter adjustment no omo the fuel e kan ho for the first time omo the reserve margins e kan ho. This is the first time they've done that. They didn't see that. All this while,
my customers are saying
mix.
They didn't get
no more you see inflation. No more you see exchange
schedules.
It's not yet the idea.
There is no boost.
Based on the performance of the CD and the exchange rate and the CD and the inflation.
There's a generational problem.
A better form. Unfortunately, almost the third quarter never and so we do press release now. Almost the no maybe I can count one. Not originally not encounter from the first quarter and second quarter. And until maybe Busasa question is why have they included fuel, the cost of fuel, especially when almost the 1 Ghana cedis per liter.
More
says 1 Ghana cedis no, yeah they quakoto fuel. So I question them. It's a question who say a genuine question, and we can ask the authorities why the inflation no about from exchange rate about from last year omo quarterly adjustment omo the cost in fact the first and second quarters no omo catch say na now the bank Ekufo Adwabanye in the fourth quarter of 2024 na nke so omo adjustment omo anye nti ekedi the da ho nti omo adjustment we omo the ba betua kan
okay
understandable it's in expectation in the third quarter no and ye tua sa kan na wie ne die they should have brought the inflation number for mono and exchange rate number for mono to reflect in that, but it didn't happen. It's you have a genuine concern. You are a genuine concern, but this particular one, it is for capital expenditure. And the inflation, the effect of it on this one, from kakra. It is when almost started the quarterly adjustments, whether the exchange rate has played any role, any significant role.
Engineer just said, and no baba between January and March.
Me patron ein.
Wow.
January and March, and baba.
Eddie, but it's honorable more minority caucus, no, and the energy committee, no. Mobile sermon, maybe energy minister, mobile sermon, PRC for na maybe Ghana for Yantiasie. It's your mumra no moment church and Yamamuye, Bibi or Hossa Mopesamoyana.
First of all, no, did this multi-year adjustment neighbor, what they call engagement. And we invite the members of the energy committee, in fact, ECG Ghana Water for the no more per 252% increase. No more, they almost say increase by 252%. And what they catch almost say 250%, the other 7 Ghana, whatever. So we indicated to them, say, I must be very frank, both the minority and the majority. In fact, the chairman of my committee, Honorable Bejia, he was very clear in his mind, said there's no way of that 200 and something percent. And then, they called the 9 point something percent, which what it means is that it was far, far better than the 200 something percent on
no more pen.
No more pen, yes. And we cannot agree to that level.
Okay.
That level of increment.
Okay.
But what I want to say is that this particular one, normally, it is for capital expenditure.
Okay.
The quarterly ones, no better.
Okay.
And whether the exchange rates and inflation will have a positive effect on that particular adjustment. Whether say every quarter, no better from and also the better.
Yeah. Orabano pema yena wase wachechiri yemu yehwe isa January March de no na yahwe effect a dollar na exchange rate na inflation ni benya woso na yedi ho nkomo nti obafie ya bedi farmers day so de Monday ye bedi nkomo yeda ase anopai
Mr. Medamasepa
yo abzafo nti Honorable Collins Adomako Mensa MP de ma de hye wo afigya kwabre North abato empeso ya so wasaso former deputy energy minister deputy ranking member the energy committee of parliament na yakwakodi enkomo afa light bill ne water bill ya tumu Ghana fo fi se wedie adabraka nenka PRC for eka foforo de kire ya enka ebeboa anopai ma yenko ya pom de ne ho nsam na yenka dimpa natural health clinic ena yeko eba no stomach ulcer ene yefunu mu ene yare wa hodo a clinic ba ko ne hospital ba ko a yeji omodi pa dimpa doc mi hu na che na matese birthday kura nam kwa mu ba ena dimpa so doc month be na dimpa benya 10 years no
you I fear you room
2026 okay
you started 2016
doc what's our mic na mame green no mo aso green
go started 2016 until 2026 muna enya 10 years until no kwasem ne se enema bebre wo ho a ene no ba me ba no enema minu na me ye
okay
ba ko ye current updates I pese ahwefo ne atiefo enya and then me sa wo topic for the day
Dr. Pacho twe mic ne ben wa don kakra ma me
me sa wo the topic for the day and these are the two things I want to do today.
Matis say kura dimpa movie from the chem so honom no eko Kenya say doc yenin command up
I don't know current updates no and am de emba mo no dan no awuhu no dan a foforo a yesi afi na yetu akom nti eno no na ebe move akọ 4th of January nti yensha no so pa eno ye one of the updates are the Emma
okay
and then science so celebrate your 10th anniversary and I say kasa dimpa at 10 nti and also so ye another update I dem ye koso aka ho say a bad stomach ulcer ene ho nsensem a said ye da bia e ka no dimpa fo obi anim say no na ya je si ye na so a ye ho adwuma eno nti eno de da hodada e da nchen kra na emom nsesaya a eba mu seseye ye say ye move akọ ye new building emu and afi ye celebrate your 10th year ewo ye dwumadie mu na people must save the date 4th of January 2026
na yes ye di new year ya ne 3 days na chese ye nyina ye ko okay
and move no nam say ye nya ba bia eho so na ensesaya eba mu ye ba bia ye wo sei no ye wa brosan so di nipa be bre ba no mo complaini but ye ya efi a ye si no de ground floor any first floor na adwuma no ewo a sere ba ya obi ba na se we panimu ana obi yare na on complain because oba ye no ano na ase ho no ana ye share dwumadie no ase eno nti eno so so ya de ya asem ya de to so bio ye started all labs and scans ye woni ma bi ho a ye wo ha no na ye nye but ye nya movie pa ye wo lab ahodo pi a kire e ba ba kire mu na scan ahodo pi a no so e ba ba kire mu na ama details no aye very clear
okay
na emom say ye kasa idea ye da so wo di chem so ye movie
okay
nti no ye be movie 4th of January nti wona eba no obi o wa oba no akwakosi Kenya ase ho
na so omadu anim kan
nya ko ho nti omunya abotrema ye
okay
ye da so wo di chem so
okay
nti say oba ye wat ase se e ho na ye wo ye nse sign
yemum every 4th January okay
nti manko ho nsa no asaba
okay
nti no oba di mpa so ya di chem so na na sese oba
okay
your numbers no da so old one anti Kofi wa ha or the numbers no ebetu dwa de amaye
Kofi bobo numbers no so
macho numbers ni 0246
744 744 yes
0246
744
and 0245
and 0245
11
8434 0245
11
8434 okay
and we will now come to the topic for the day
doc
say ye share ya che and nti nipa bebra ye hwe omo na omo obi o ho a ne ho to no akire wo ho a na waba for the past 3 weeks nipa miensa bi aba no na ma me person me handle this topic
okay
e be cause hindrances to sustained stomach ulcer treatment e dey be na ma ye hwe obi na ne ho to no a na wo ho a na esede o ha no be se sa da no ho adi ye no ma be se 9 ba ko ye obi o no mo a oba ye no a ye start say ye treatment no ebia enura ohia o ka say bi ohia no bes and 9 anas enum ebia oto baako ana mienu a okọ ya ohun say ye no wansi ho bio eno betumi ama ya de no asan achi asan aba
okay
afei obi o hono mo a sade enura ye de ma no no na say ye pese apart from say ebia eye 9 or 12 baako no obi o won anu no na ade ma oto set ni nyina but ye say stomach ulcer anya malaria ni treatment no ade say wonya abotre to aso say wonya be 6 weeks eko depending on say sign no tie na be kire ba bia ye ne obewie to obi o won a is say obi obeto aso for be 6 weeks ana say bia 2 months no ana ebia 3 weeks kra no oba 1 week ohun say no ho ye no ano na wajai
okay
and also so timi ma ya de no timi sign achi eba
okay
afei obu o hon so a eno no ayɛ de ma no no sɛ de wo kyerɛ no sɛ ɔmfa no wasesa no ye wo eno no ba ko ba ko edi edi akotene paa no ye edi gu nso hye mu nom no wo sɛ we TV no so a ba ko bi bottle tia shine bi mu no ye edi gu nso hye mu na enom
okay
sɛ nipa no sɛ wonom 30 minutes ansa no wadidi sɛ wɔkɔ no wadidi wi ansa no anom wa kyɛ sɛ wo sɛ aduro no okay and also one of the reasons money pani bi obeka say o me bad in pass but my nyanse sai no say de
na me pen okay
enna obi so ho no mo a na ode yen 10 commandments ni di agro o say ya ka ho asem wa say stomach ulcer ya de ha adwen pan di say obetumi aye ho adwuma no aye ni yi a esese ode nhyehyeye bi eye adwuma o ba ne a kyerɛw wo ese kwa de print de ma sɛ ba ya owura fi a obetumi akan but okoye no last 3 weeks woman bi obae ode ne ba 2 years ago no ko beti adanse wo Sompa mo ho na ode ne ba no bae sɛ asaya ba na mu san sɛ de be ne siye wonim sɛ ne ma ya kyerɛkyerɛ no na akora na ha ase kelewele ne anwane
aduane bebrebe no
ana we say de wode aye na aduane ana sa akopeke problem ne bae last week so ya ma me ba ko bae a ono ana num to was say in fact yes ma stomach ulcer no empe enwone anwa bebrebe bat na say we di obekwan papa was odi ba ko hu say anya ne hwe no o ya ne pim
okay
na ogote ho no sa ko kosia ya chie osan eduano aba wase ono anim se ka 2 years ni ono kra de ne nyame ye na adom ba he no one now buy wa mabi ba na ne ho ye
okay
but after 2 years ono ana num to say na didie no a obusi mu na de opebia o de nti na afi akofa problem dia ba nti no ye di mpa for ye ka ne say dimpa yegusu ye adwuma enuo no ye adwuma nhyehyɛ ne ye adwuma na emom esese wo hwɛ niema ye ka kyerɛw no na utumi de ye adwuma sɛ na be ya wa yaresa na obenya wo ye nsam no ebetumi agina na atena ho ede ama wo
no correct kofifa numbers ne sa to dwa bio na yeah into aso
Pacho numbers ni 0246
744
744 0246
744
and 0245
and 0245 11 84 34 0245 11 84 34 good
dog I don't think I cry they ka ho ne se ye da so agira ho se emfa ho ne se de unipadua no mo ye o de stomach ulcer na kofa bro se ema obo na ye wo ya oyam na etutu ana oyam ankasa na ye wo ya obi de ema no ne yam na etim bi nso ema orane ni nyina no oba ye na kade nti ne yemfa dro baako na hwe stomach ulcer no
okay
obi de ema na chi na akogina ontewe won yam but na chi na ye no yakese pa obi nso de ne stomach ulcer no ontewe won yam bara akogina no tipaye ene anisubiriye ebi mu de ese bibiri na wo mutirimu mempa kyerɛ sɛ etipaye ne bibiri na mutirimu bia a kyerɛ stomach ulcer na mom su ahunu all these 10 years ade aye hu ne sɛ eniema a ekofa tipaye ba no dodo no ata free yefunu mu ni akoma heart related challenges na kofa ba eno nti de ya ka kyerɛ busuafo nyina ne sɛ niema na ebobɔ so oyam obo uti wachi wani su bru na untumi na de ya keka no hu se mu ba miensa na nan eye wode a hwehwɛ dimpa natural health clinic e kyerɛ kwan na wo ba ebetumi ahwɛ aboa ma asomdwe atumi aba eno nti ye de ya no esie no ye ya ka nyina ne se ye wo ensesan ya ye se ya am no kasa de ye da so wo Kumasi dichem so ye old health insurance abrosanu mu ana da so from 4th of January ye move akọ Kenya ase brofo yedu Kumasi he ya
okay
Kenya ase brofo yedu
okay
na afi so numbers no da so eye said the etie na imi bewi a Kofi Bedi betu for the last time afi yes a new building and I komu a ground floor and a first floor intino so afi so we be antia say yeah do for 10 years and the experience wo ho enfidie wo ho enfidie ade yeah do say yeah be nsia you kwa new building mu a ebe kwa be 15
wow
because yeah lab ahodo ne scans ahodo nyina
okay
and unti benefo say asempetia
no correct
Kofi de vetudwa na afi yeah de FT4 SCH.
Kofi numbers near 0246
0246
744
744
744
744
0246
0246
744
744
744
744
and 0245
and 0245
11
11
84
84
34
34
0245
0245
11
11
84
84
34
34 yeah that's it
Yo
doc yeah that's it
that's
yeah that's it panti dimpa natural health eba no ye funya dear stomach ulcer ena ene doc ema ye hunu se eba ne scan ene lab bia opese wo ya omu new office omu move akom no obora honomo a ni nyina soso no womo eye bi ewo ehonomo nti ko na oyefu ya de ya atete wo for many years no yenhwe emfa emaw na enkoyi emaw mame enidwa kakra no pay me hwe animu se mabedwafo beba beka me ho na yedi enkomo mabedwafo beba beka me ho na yedi enkomo me hwe animu se Franco Tue Champon part of the government communication team obeba na obabeka ho anope or lecturer was Spiritan University and osaso eka NDC communication team government communication team oka home Dr. Simon Boateng so lecturer or Amstead NPP communication team oka home ono so ebejani na yedi nkomo kakra ba for now no mamini dwa sister Kidi Glamour bronya de bronya tade bronya mpaboa bronya che bronya space bronya bibia ye tode ahwe nkwala ne de sister Kidi Glamour ho ene ye ko na womo amaye sa ne menyina nkwala no womo entade womo mpaboa womo jeans womo shoes womo jewelries ne chese for every occasion also bad time no a owo akwala no every occasion bia open ho atade open ho mpaboa open ho belts shoes and bags no more sister Kidi Glamour and wardrobe and ye call ahojo atenga junction wa opposite China Mall no next to Fidelity Bank ho and owo and hensan so China Mall no opposite building no doormaster woman no ho na sister Kidi Glamour so 0245 749199 0245 749199 na one sister edi enkomo Polytank December promo no so no yeginam Polytank December giveaway promo no yeginamu gidigidi yese Polytank ho ade bia Polytank ne yencha wade se eye Polytank sumo se ye Polytank eye sumo supermodel no se ye Polytank eye hippo anasa Polytank eye rambo ne bi na woto a ye cha wade nti bora baby bia ye ton Polytank bia Polytank eye authorized dealer shop biemu na eto ade bronya yi ye ofie sort ya say holidays no ye betre fie ache ye behia nsuo ye aduane ye clean fie honomo visitors ba ye behia nsuo na ye da ye bibia o say Christmas ye nsuo no e flow edema ye mpa eni ti hweso benya Polytank ofie na nsuo no e flow na auto Polytank so no na esanse December giveaway promo ni giremu no na ye saso e chawade Polytank de mamoni tu asem de ya na mode asem Kingdom Herbal Center edi nura bedwa so Food and Drugs Authority mpedimfo agede yatum your Kingdom Garlic Bitters and Capsules ho e boost your immune system stroke na kawato ono mu a abusuafo besa sori ananti bio na afi anane saade cholesterol edi afri ni pedua ni mo na Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules eboa ema bema so hu utimi didi wonum didi wayase eto pa edi hwetwedi amponyankrompon die ni munyam oba tremendous capsules no ema ubu nsa ebe flow kama onsedanti ya obia na siesie ojanhye so ema honum aya akona nika ede amount fraying ewo 0559 761144 0559 761144 na eni enkomo afi dwaben rural bank mame enko ni yenko peska entu yebutom mame eni nkomo bronya ni ye ba bedie no bronya so goes with cash so te say ye ska to yebutum ye so a ye kra ne ma ye adwadifo a ye di dwai na jabatan so ye wofie ya na bronya no budget ni ade no so hu ye timi balloon so hu e ba sa so ye behia moa so te ase ye be to bronya atade bronya mpaboa bronya che bronya space de amankwala no ye to nyira chichu no ja se wa ware so a wo be ko wase ho wo be ko maame ho bo so hu bia be gini bronya de ni nyina susu no ye behia moa ntia no pai me yen ko bodwa be rura bango mu punum na binim se ombeji yeso dodo ombeji yeso abro so observe on bacho mo mache mo makwaba ejalewa beje di se mo hoye Mickey die me nenu George me ne George yana last day 2 weeks ago oh and ejaminu mi oni e fa boy ebo anope ma mi tie mo
mini aya
se ne dia hoden ho
na ene de ye
de radi
na no kra na nya yare o na
ebre
adwuma no
mo mi a me kan se ebre
had equally important.
Sure.
Nti we ya nam se no ye ma omomra na.
Nti mo
ye ho ye na ma memfa nchi ama ye tiefo ne ahwefo. Dwabin Rural Bank Kristo Adom ba bia ye du no ye du akire.
Yokre.
Na more especially our customers omo aboa ye ne shareholders. Ma memfa nto ye tiefo anim se nyame nso ya dom a annual general meeting, that is the AGM, no? 20th of December, yeah.
Okay. Hona ya na bangura for no mosre no.
Mosre. Nti so say wan so what to share ni because we share ho. Nti nyame aduma enemy nua Omanhene sofo. 20th of December, yeah. Yeah, expect say momra.
Wow.
Na yemfa sika kase enhyem buto. Eno nti na ye kire obi biara say ope baby a obenya mfasoa ewanim these days are the best instrument to invest no eno ani Dwabin Rural Bank shares we could have 50 pesos a top share nti wan ni ananya 100 cedis the obi a hwa mamfo patronize these days that you can say is one of the best investment you can make so far and yes you can
mamfo ta free busayen na no unsa mo the short code bi buy
yes
na mamfo request pa nti me kai say me George Sompa omo direct am si George mbacho ni omo nkasa na mo code no nti amanfo gradually abeye interested in shares in the pa
in fact enye si edwe yanum yete ane e kan keke these days but I don't want to mention any figure or rates but say pa we investor we a business person now pe baby papa de usika she interest no cry be kwanim saying other instrument that I know I don't want to mention names and one Dwabin Rural Bank shares. Wow. Investors should come, both local and international. We are inviting them. Oba the better say. Usika be our debation within 2-3 years. Now I talk.
Wow.
All the years ahead in Inaya. I tell you. Tia wenim these days, we are calling them to come. No. This is one of a year in ya train bre ya train di hun komosa Kristo adom bi oje abie kwamu amaye nti me no kasa ya tozu branch it is open.
Okay.
Now I was expecting your producer senka omudi footage but good. That's good. Nti we share you know who say
now open. Yes.
Atonsu agency. No.
Yes.
This is one of a year na year registration. Atonsu for ahemfo nimpanyfo business community no mo ni nyina mo market num station baby biara ye can say ye do mase. Wow. Some few days yakoye the way your masom ohwa obieba and this whole business was tonsu catchment areas asokwa all the areas na say oh my jabun rabanka it means you are missing so much ti omomra you invite na jabun there unim say enye say edin eda ho keke we create impact you create impact and in the impact na you creating ama so many institutions so more observable. And you may be how we have say obi enhwe, but I tell you, the business community, the eye is on the ground. They are watching, they are observing, and taking records of all that we are doing. On the basis of that, last week, boy chairman, another danka also, doctor, and CEO, Noble Aredamwa, UPSA, invite you. Now, who knows? Your kudru ape na one of the awards more observable from Accra. Just like 2023-2024 Chamber of Commerce and Industry and that big award. I said the best rural bank of the year. UPSA almost share you know say our impact on the society is so great. And they look at 3 areas. And no share so almost share our commitment to the community in terms of environment. We say there were 40,000 trees, seedlings are dua. Now so far you dua pipa. We can say near you dua there and for so ben also. When the last tree dies, the last mine also dies. So on the basis of this, you should say the environment in its equal. Environmental degradation and near my cost. And near my home, and activities are even say one negative impacts. Our shekra UN for almost so Air Force was at least all countries who abide by all this. You know, and I dem some by my time kakra be. Inti ama eniema no dwabin rural bank yes ye bomodin asa ye behwe say ye betumi aye bibia ebe mana kwanim. Inti ye dua 40,000 trees. And I tell you, if I tell you the component of expenditure, you will be shocked. The size of expenditure here in care say was also doing about 10 grand. I tell you, it costs so much. So as an institution, near creating impact on the society, near 40,000 trees there. Now to say we are doing well. And yet the emphasis no. The main philosophy of the bank and they say kakrabi ombenyano, they will create impact on the society. Unze institutions bi o obeba be yadwu obenya ska all right but omo society ni nya faso
as part of your corporate social responsibility CSR.
I tell you we are creating and na what do you call it UPSA omo hwe ye no san hwe another area and also your health unze ye plenty modern what do you call it hospitals scan the machines in here we are building so much for other communities and you know and our contribution to SMEs micro medium scale enterprises we share especially as Sompa loans here no commitment fee no service what have you and then no collateral also be kwaje besia yes kofa we bra Osan kra besia no meje besia 1 million Ghana cedis meje besia 2 million Ghana cedis ni ate commitment fee kese yen ya Sompa loan yen tie ni nti wo ba na 100,000 na wajia you have full access to the 100,000 no deduction collateral anymore yen ka se kofa building document ebra say niam we na UPSA omo hwe ya omo say no the bank is doing so much for the society. Our impact on the society no has been so marvelous. On the basis of that, on my award. I mean, award on the eba bibiri. Enti obia momodi anon fan ntuma emebo dwabin rural bank ano na make impact on the society no yende farmers day ya nyame adoma e baso ochene I tell you ya nra kwahwe dwabin eniema ya to aye de bema awodis emse eno no mo show
okay
fridges ni ade ye de akọ municipal assembly
okay mo de support municipal assembly no no mo de abo akuafo abaso
good
akuafo anko aye bebu ada
I tell you today near Yama community no this is what Jabin Rural Bank we are doing
fridge bebrebe we nyina
ya dem all enumra no for the purpose of say MBA ye di video coverage enye ni nyina ne bua no you identify by 10 municipal assembly or even more one bank bi ampo the 10 and 2020
yes,
you can imagine
yes.
So our impact na nya say yenya award no just say no but they feel it. They have seen it. They have observed it. I tell you. This Ebro be anfan ntuma me bodwapin rural bank ho. The other social yin so aye say you be say you build a community bia on be millionaires, businesses. Until you identify you who the potential in you are. Then near nurture. Then we grow you to become big. Ya ye be mienu miensa ya ye successful and they are doing so well. They ye adwuma na ye no. Enye say ye kake. Na mo ye ya ye de measure say to ho. Ni ya boa amwa be ye business person usika edoso. Ndi say bre obi amra say eniema na wo ton wo magazine. Bra. Say ye hardware to say iron rod cement bra. Ye local what do you call it? Heba for so we are inviting them.
Okay.
Obi amra any business that you are doing, come. Let's talk. Ni ehu kwan ye betimi aboa ama business na ye den akwanim. Jabin we are here to solve problems.
Sure.
We are mensa medicine na.
Sure.
George and Sompa.
George maminti o.
Libya be chia chief for na fefo nyina. Ya me boss ka asemi fa UPSC. I hold no. The Libya. On the last time no kind. I say on come now share no.
Abem
can say this year I was no papa.
No correct.
Me boss we can say nya Libya.
Enye ade.
Libya say spotlight no. See quite a bit me myself to be say. O share rural bank pa say rural banks na doors. I hear be anipa e channel musica for pa dia
edwaben.
And ra on say atonso branch na ye bie. Nti yakobo tent kakra e wo edwanim. So e de ye ni dwadifo ya. Na ye ni omudi nkomo na no mo se mrafo no mrafo na omo sane abosuwe mu e bi 50,000 e bi 10,000 ti interview ni buso omo se ma me
monye ntu o mayen
enya sem ketoa ebo anajo 6 eni pa na omo di omo sika buy a branch na wa tonsu branch ho no in fact na anodi nti edikan me bom mu ase ama atonsu market
okay
edi fo nyina ase
okay
bank so de oba na se be hofo no man so mu a bank na siwa kwa nti ebo omo baso ye pa ne branch manager eno aso so obisu testimonies na ba na eba okura atonsu branch ho a Libya obi pie free ho na the city na the city bi mo mo ko banka nko yiska obi pio na ode munana ede the staff na de atri no mu nyamesrom o nko bank also ma nko fasika nko to ma Libya nko tetew the last time na ka se bank ni o de ko ya afin baso na sika ni na ede na hye ya in fixed deposit no so e boss kan e see rate no e koso on say de adwuna gedi fo ho na no ye obi di 1 million Ghana cedi buy na rate the man no hwe the bank was abin say bank papa bi wo see na na no mi fika de be e ko number bi ti amre ye ka say o de sani aboso no so store no scan da ho no me fam ko ba bi man ko ye de be enko hye fixed deposit no ye 3 months ho ye 6 months ho ene ye 1 year de be ho na Libya ni gisem ko na say ye no account opening no ke de ba wa do step because kide tia Dubai for near that no de bank so this ka to nti officers no an say a number say to dwa o de free the bia say ka distance is not a barrier o free ya ba be transfer nya botu achi chiro mu Libya and no na dwo 12 o'clock course by atonsu market ya na ya yi no ti mami ba ko ni din ko mo say manager na me say obubu fukura no obu anfu na ya to ebu ase because any man and the phone there to ebu ase me mami ka sa ya ema anope kura no wase oba beto shares 1,000 Ghana cedis and che say eduma die na ye di odwabera bank no ekwa animu Libya susu ne de entime nka bra traditional way e 24 no e from anya yi
no correct
the 10 cities and 20 cities de okwa o be ma wo enti eno na esusufo no so no e de omo nyina de bagu friends e dwanim
okay
nti okwadwe so a bon se esusufo no bi na mu atonsu market baba bank so na mu libya de osika no to mas baba bank na entempa na alert na de be
okay
on se last time so kan se ebi okwa na enkuduru bank ho na sika na de be anye badwa be ne wo de fa mu a na alert na de be alert no so e ba no libya legisem no se e free yentew okay yentew sika na so de be
matiase
sa pepe
matiase
libya ansa na memma menu ya kiti abemu no asempalo no so eguso a ekoso on se na no ma bahabo bi wo modern say suna no sika odi kokoyi no na dani asem libya dani asem kese pa so odwene otu de no anso de bura dwabra bank branch bia so pa asempalo ebedi nkomo ba akomienu entempa na diska na ede be ama okay na se ebu okwa na ebedi bro nya yuso ne bakwa kasa na ho sika no ni binti na before ede be aba libya bisi
ebufu nko
ne bana kasa na nko na nya ade bia ebufu iskasem samre no yen savings account yen susu yen shares no titru se nipa to shares ni be for now no se dem boss kind no 50 pesos with my 300 cedis 200 cedis 500 if you got me to 100,000 last time I'm say uluma be 100
389
star
984 hash
984 hash
yes star 389 star 984 hash
4 hash
enti baby o bia obetimi ato shares ni
okay
afensu me de your branches ni ebetudwa your head office e wo dwaben e wo chiefs palace hona e na bonwe so ye wo taxi rank onwe ye wo roman catholic church e just ye wo traffic lights e na sepe ye wo galco house adishman so ye wo dubai kejetia gate 3 fumeswa ye wo taxi station abo aso so ko hwa asante line hwa na dwabinra bank wo e na roman hill so ye wo atonsu branch New Road, ye wo more time building. Pankro no, the tallest building na ewo Pankro no market e ho na Dwabin Rural Bank ewo. In case e wo pay chira kwan na untimi mba ye number so ni 0243 38 74 98 0243 38 74 98 patch another number 0544 74 58 56 0544 74 58 56 patch wa uni account o Dwabin Rural Bank no tutumika ekoye branch bia ben maybe account e wo Dwabin Rural Bank na wo dachi enye fe
yeda se busanfo Dwabin Rural Bank ne yete wo mo enka no boro mo branch bia mu na ene managers no eni nkomo omo ebeso mu no mo abo anopei mabegyafo atena se Dr. Simon Boateng lecturer wo Amstead so Akenten Apia Minka University of Entrepreneur. What Amstead no. What was it? Dino wa? I know it. No, Munya editing kakra. Chuche biso na.
Ya no mso mbeso msesa no de.
Okay. Otu mso mbesesa no. Omo tu ho na mo. Omama mo hint. Nti ne ma nam kwam. Okay. Ye hwe update na beba no. Iti anopa de me ne lecturers na ba be din komo. Franco Tue Champion so ye lecturer was Spiritan University were part of the government communication team on so Atnase na doc so a part of the NPP communication team omo Atnase anopei yedin komo otu light bill ne water bill na matum ne de ene mo nya adwene o se me ma wakwa abakra me
mu awram ba me nchao na me nchao asabi wa hwefo no tie fo
na obi aje so
sure me da se na de kan ma me frenchra kwa tenten fama doti kru krawa ne bra me ngoma so na o se tutu asabi asanteman ene dia jana dama ene yati baby ma me ncha the president of the republic, His Excellency Rajon Dramani Mahama China Nanope. Amacha Mami Jenano Puko, my professor Bakope. Mame Bakope, Vice President of the Republic, Her Excellency, Michelle also. Yeah. A baby mamma has said in the Oba, a baby mamma said a 2 to Yana area. Why? Because there is not a corresponding development with regards to Etwana Yetiano. The ceremony say Etwana di Yetia, but Yana Prepino, who near Yadiano, the bois to my money and answer to my phone. But I think, sir, won't you mean blame NDC entirely for this tariff increment? Why? Because as part of the conditionalities of IMF, Union, MPP for the Accord way back 2020 or so, I think so. As part of the conditionalities, and I can say quarterly about to Ejinamunkanium. Now you have to insure boom.
Yes, we near quarterly, dear no.
We're quarterly, dear no.
Maybe almost a quarterly, dear no will come next year, January and February. See January name between January and March.
So I think so.
Into where last quarter no.
Last quarter no. Last quarter. I think it will take effect next month.
Next month, January.
It will take effect next month. See, but you said the quarterly increase in our honor. I don't know where, but I think the last 3 months there too. Boom. And now this is the the last quarter of the year.
But too must we always be increasing it? Say economically, Niema is getting better. You should have a feel of it.
Any option because it's been done. It's been used as a collateral.
But to that time na economy ni nyewu. Sana mo say inflation, even dollar exchange rate ni ade.
And never form. But when asabi uko jibosia every bank. Na wo dey say bia wo fie ana wo ka bia kosi awwa. Bosumi bia no sales bia me bia no. Me de beba abetika ne so bi. That is what is happening. Until when
the MPP aban burugu honum IMF insisi omo yeto hona
no be na ye tua kai
but honorable Collins Adomako Mensa say enye no kre
no on hearing krata mu ye no kre so I say because Ghana force akoma pa NDC for the buy denka sabi yam ma Ghana for kwa huhia mu say busumi mi ensa bia de beto enyina mkani abuo mu meanwhile so ba kai kra na I think say in not too long ago, the one city biato full as so. Nina energy sector ya hoya na this as getting an echo. And Tinanka whom he has in fact sound to Wimra. But when he IMF conditionalities any bidano, Upo Umpo as all could Yasaka, Bosana Coboy, also got to be. I don't know can be will be Yaja, near the Cotic can be. I don't hear. So I said, now when no crown, share energy sector, and answering them can for no. And can tomorrow more pen can you be new?
Yes, you know over 200 and something percent.
Sika komu pesa mo echeguti mamu force na kan sika kuma. Pata ban modern mo onu mo tena ase ejojo ye no mo didi nkomo nkita hodie no eno na ase be so hwan ya bedu 9% no. Megidi se enya de better so enya mre. Men ka se emre timamuni bia no tuotua de se be ye tuotua se be ai se hwini mu win ya. Basenka ye tuatua yi no so who say in recent times to me power na gina sabi na yehwe senka obetua to no nanka de kwa ya bodin na ya to this year this kan koyo no nanka de koyo no nka timamani so nya ho ne ho ahara no dwumadie mu kakra se say de nyina mkani ayayi wo say na de wa ni tua say in recent times de kan na gina so what you say sa ntino sa ne bobo aban na baso say wa ya ade na sika to no a wo gye no wo fa nya ade kra sabi yabodi ya na yatu din se de sa sika ne kwa koyo ena me no ka so fa nko ne population kwan ejetu ato den
me wo se president ko
ejetu ato
wa promise se ombe wie sa kwan no masa so aye expressway no so aka ho
ye nuanum bi mutu futrogu domani san ye jai kumase nkran kwan na ye kwa expressway that is not the issue ye we so I say nam dodo when penny forces sabian sen kwan so I say enti say alternatives are cars akese o mo fa kwan so mo say ni na komo yusu kono ngone nkoko die na nka express road no ayama sabi commercial we mo VIP o enum ne I say sen ka ya so kwa o nko fa place
si so ahwe
na get to den
2 hours no wadu
o kwa de sen ka we 2 hours because o ho ha
party na me say
what I say okodu djuma no wasan ba
no correct
sani ya hwehwe no enye ha ho nko na nka ya extend no ko bi enough sabia eyeduanu mo wo no fon so ba sharp no koma bedu na akonia badie na
and is a quite link a major cities ni nyina ye dualize no a ebema ye movie obi betima tena kumase aye adwuma wa Accra
simple
obi betima tena Accra aye adwuma wo
ewu
kumase
so bete
yes
what you say fatal accident we car
o crown ni abi se wo konkra na e car na wo kofo na adane mpai bo fio until some bete wo nkase wa kwa koduru no
I am sisi
kwa
enti when na ye bo ban no ye bom friends aban ye share kutupani ata na chi se nti se ye bia o de agu akwam so ba ye bia fa ya kwan ani akwa na abadie ho bia no emrem omunyemo mpa no munye sika no mfanyo because o pepa ni akoma pass obedi sa adwuma no enti oya we aketua ntumu no sabe anyinam kane abo na yatom no de ya die but ye hwese se sika na ye beje no ye de bekwa so ye hɔ akɔ ye hɔ adwuma na timamuni na nya kane de di ne dwuma daada na ono so ne ho ayɛ den aha no sika ba ne nsɛm no ono so atumi atua bia maban ɛno ne yɛmɔ mpa yɛ saa na sɛ ɛtoɔ de sabe ye ntumi kase betena mamre kwa ye ntua to
ni oti UC for buafu pa sɛ ebasa na government no
burden wo
betray wo mo sɛ nkomo mo ne aban di ye sɛ omo hu an increase in the tariffs ne utility ne ade no ɛna mo de je 9% to sesani tu mu ba se say ne be kɔ de a mo fi sa aban ne o mani
kan homa ban for being come I don't know omo play no me no omo ya to a large extent because say obama akatua ntum ya ohamu obupan nkono na anyina munkani abo nso nko akwakotum ohamu obupan nkono unta ya na atwetwa so kakra so ajase nti no me gidi say the anoma si come na me no kase kwa inflation that 6.3 and atia ba further down to 6.3 ye kwa enim no me say aban no hye bi odegu akwamu bia no onton koso na ne man timra fom nti sabe akatua ntumu no anya bebiri kura na e kakra bi kura no a sabe sika de ba won sema ubetumi de adwuma e wo sa we dai odidie eno na sabe ye hwehwe de mu nka be pekura sa afi nkwa wie ye ntinsi afi di edimu no na nka inflation akọ be 3% na nka no mu boye fofofo dokono ho na nka tia be 3 cedis so ho komne yawe ye kan say no me sre Ghana timamu fo
inflation ne ade
dokono kan yenuanum MPP for
yes here bros at from 1000 to about 400 or 300 so me dey ha me ye omo ton banku ne tilapia no banku kiti o
asa akokoba
asa kosua kiti
me no ka say yesi kosua farm get price no omo reduce no to the barest minimum but omo ton ankra de ma ajatimamu for no I hold on to the price 3 cities enka ye 1 cedi kra na menu ya we enka sabi do ton no so benya kakra
e to omo so be catch us say inflation aba from ne dollar rate aba from but say ye to light bill mu into ono so ton tilapia ne banku no you untimi for so no say
ya so tilapia yi light to better
o de be say fridge mu
o de be say fridge mo tu
yawo idia na hage
de tie ni yawo fridge wo di shemu adi ne dodo ne sai ni
eniemum
adie wo to ba ko a bosomi mu anse na wasan ede atofofro nti besere adetonfo no ye besere o madaroma sabi o mu nti na ye wo baabi o ma nton wa ye nso nya bi nto ye besere o mu sese nneoma ba fom se de tie no de a o mu so amra fom
o mu ntete ne ma
so so hare wo mu because esa da bia ya ti fidi kase so ye kirem na nneoma ba fom but go down and nneoma ntesa
but o mu so o de pressure good transport minister so say onke ka no ho na o engage GPRT unit transport operators no so mo no so tete because we say petrol so tia na tie
fluctuate
yes
to some extent that's eba from na
but say bia ya stabilizing for some time
yeah
and say you who say bia kakra
impact wo ade so but na me da Nyankopon so ase ho de nja fo hwehwe me ene obato bomb me da Nyankopon ase say net oil refinery who said ne oban start operations yen ye fa ngo de ye chefa ewo mu wo Ghana de yetu no oban start o mo no anu ha o refinery no Ghana nti me giri sem mre an chakura di anim no
fuel prices
significant decrease in prices nti no yes o man kodoko me mo na ba so se o ya de pa
dog ye de so bo mu se mo IMF niema amokoye to ho no mo no enema ene yesu se ya to light be mu abra me de me se economic gains ayeka se ye say dia na emfa so bi ani so
Michelle ni wahwefo.
Many my hair
Na
for
machi
you.
atwema ngobeja. Ye papa Brian Champion Ghana need so at this particular moment. Mebunu no penwuma.
No correct.
And nipa obit me bi nwuma.
No correct.
Wo ho adanse.
No correct.
Dr. Brian Champion.
No correct.
Ti esrem say mo to aba delegate nhwe ba bia no hwe. Dr. Brian Champion. Papa ba bia wo bia Michelle.
No.
Senye IMF ya say oh let's grant it. I don't agree. But substantive matter so I don't agree to what he's saying. But senye IMF nso say pani bia. Ebia nke na inflation ni ade na omo kan wasam nke ni ho. Nti
okay.
Udi ade a say no kra. Which enye no kra. Udi ade a udi ka na wadi ska.
No correct.
Na wafa ni nyina na ne inflation ni dollar rate eba from there you want to take that. Na say no kra se bibi sa o mu I know there you want to run away. Mini ade o honi. Empanifo yi bae eye NDC fo yi o mu bae. Na bosumi aketi o mu kotum no mutumu 5%. First second quarter in 2025 no mutumu 5%. And o de ma aban adwuma efo. Cumulatively o matu electricity mu 14.75% as at second quarter of this year.
As a second
quarter of 2025.
Be June July
As a July 1
14.75%
electricity. And so you're 4.02% as a July. Fast forward, Drew, your friend is saying September no, almost say and only quarterly now person no, and your friend automatic adjustment. So automatic adjustment only my own reading is here or Google. I don't know young negotiation on. You negotiate
automatic.
That's the name suggest. Depending on other variables. It is September yano. September yano. Wouldn't say omutu ayimu 1.14%. And no ya negotiate.
Okay.
Me was what they say. Ya negotiate. It's anytime ya sa the omoka no. Quarterly no. And automatic. It's a process. Depending on the matters. Anyway. Now, fast forward 2026 budget. Aban for we see Obama aban for 9%.
Yes.
At the time I will call negotiation, now inflation is 8.4%. What proposing 9%? 9%, you know, Okoto electricity tariffs more. They say next year, you know, 2026, 9.86%. And so, your friend is saying, maybe mommy. And so, 4.02% na make no. Then, what side the fuel price of 10%? Almost 10% the account. What him say? Ufa fuel price in the crana technically no. Omo for percentage wise. Omo man a flat rate levy. 1 liter bi omo de 1 cedi to so. And cumulatively gallon omo de 4.5%.
4.5
cedis, Ghana cedis.
Yes.
And the to so Ghana for year kwa ho now who susu say wo betra na ka kire say IMF bi omo pa aban bia ba na oba be dia dia aban bia no ba no be dia dia Ghana wo hwe history historical trajectory na obedia dia bra aban fofo na ko IMF but the enhwe say na Akufo do first year no ye di ordinary to ayimu say
no after 8 years bia ye ko IMF
that has been the historical trajectory so e dey na otu okan na you see the yenuanom ye no me no I yet to say be ma bi a odi oba bi fa ba bi sabi fa ba bi eduro so ana bi nya oba no ana oba bi a odi bibia gu be ma bi aduane mama na asedi oye bia no sabi ada material movement no be ma na ase wataba kakranti na ni ma no so e be say me catch otu say next year any in subsequent years in Ghana for any bet
is omu goodwill no
I Ghana for any bet na wo hwe ni o ma ekokoko so say ye di hwe technically say I was saying petrol any nam 8 cedis petrol I was saying any nam 8 cedis
your inflation is 6 point something %.
What the point is even including o dollar rate any on your man you be sanya 1 cedi na 1 cedi enye sika kuma o it is a auto 10 liters what you are 10 cedis and no modi ato so say na auto petrol 10 liters be na
1 gallon is 4.5 liters 4.5 liters
and no modi ato so
auto 1 gallon be 4 cedis 50 pesos
it took 3 gallons what you say over 12 cedis and what you are mass aban we and okekeka couple utia ujai o man no say inflation eswati and no be free mampontin ko KJT o medru mampontin bi no what you 20 cedis
it's true
now we see what on dey hu a on fanye say they have no plan and one is a obi di camera sini e so no nam Kumasi kejetia hey me mamu last warning eno ebu eno egwegwa kuse oba
hwan ya
na wo hwe
the mayor of Kumasi
na wo hwe de wo ya
oba say kroma tin to ompe
me digress kakra feed oba na obey ya na me kan wo other sister station me say enye yi
adenji
na enye yi
decongestion exercise
no telling you
Christmas kroma e choke
me see enye obey ye na obey yi ebon kofo ye press conference and I make say you see me I don't understand why I taking decisions organ I hear the history they all ye no binye bi it you taking decision bi na you ask yourself obi aye bi da o ye no ye ne sen
ekusi say
what was the result sadi na o ye na o de camera sini so no wanya mebon kofo o twe no homo ama and as say o sadi camera sini so I ask myself ya himfo no kwan be na efa so use om edum any kejetia ho no eni ohini bia na
edum hine wo
fantastic it me give me Kumasi mayor I only engage chief na ohini na ohwe so o just say ohini ye ntono so aba
no correct
ohini mfre leaders no ganjom za ha mo obi antena aha ya me masas aha mo obi ntena aha mo obi ntena na hwe so obi wa kotena wa but politicians ba na aba beje politicians ba na I successful and I am telling you say 2027 2028 on timi ma bontin kra ma ye de oye no ye beto aba obeto aba yesi
wonum ho anka wo say
so
ayi na woni MPP na ayi ma we pan sampan ana no afasa idea we ama no otubi ye
otu meba
ye ntinti ne tiba bi eti
yo le da mose
edi enche mu de mbeba ne aba ne ba ye be kiram kwan ye fa so bu
enche obe de
ye beba
40 years no
ye be kiram se de ye si
no
no sa nioma na ye na ase ye nteki yi no sisi ti se de na mika no obi free wo na wo ka aye semo inflation sem wo ka dollar sem o free man pontin na o duru kejetia no ne kone ne ba wo 40 cedis wo so oton de wo mfanye sen the reason why o dollar ne no wa yi ni nyina na enya nsusuanso no wa che so nte bibia so nte because law we fair no utimi nya wo hwehwe say guys be ni na mayi ka kofa police for ni soldier for say one the true price ye ma o free say successful me free man ponti me free tonso educate tia na me peka aba na wo say o ma driver na nye driver ni say me nko e dey na be once again me too for ka kire omo e kwan we sunso ya kese bebre e wo buses o dey say engage them including metro mass omunya buses ni nyina ama what the point na say engage them de obenya ama no inso ya kese mo amasafo ma ye bedi bronya omko kroma na makoka misremo mo aveli mo buses no mo fa mo trotro from ebia 4 to 7
yes mo fa mo aye
na driver ni nko na ne car no o just say e ma obi amfo na say ebo no ubehia police no akose na people basically
we should create competition for
it's as simple as
running taxi for now omo just outrageous
prices ko gina ko for police say
you suggested me bo no kakra bi one just 30 seconds I've even suggested say ban no can procure mini buses so what I say and will create employment opportunities for
people yes
what I say now those hot rush hours no
yes
what jagum
ebuakwa ofo
mamponti you will be compelled to reduce your price
no driver no obi amfo do you need a police officer to go and ye gina na ye politics na ye camera CC so na ye nenam sa enko me see the way said your chance here okobu o mu ankosi hwe ne no na be press
ordinary no kan wa
what adam we etina ndc for say e short memory no what the police ni soldier owie no be press conference ono de wo ye na akosi adwuma wasen aba no ono de ye de review
na wo kan
eno mo sai
ye to aso
eno wo sai ye we no you see ene ne wo se be enkosi hwe nti ebi no mo de aye sa tariffs we no na e pese Ghana for eni bo mo so se omo de efa ba bi kura na Ghana for minim se omo ni su etiti omo ba wo ye nurse ni wo ye teacher ni wo ye other government worker ni ama 9% ne se ne ye sin betua 14.75% electricity o obi used to be virtually Ghana
no yes
ne se wo to mi wa wa man 9% ye nyina jejeje
okay mate ne di Dr. Simon Boakye a part of the NPP communication.
You share up to who na me I refuse to be intimidated.
You refuse to be intimidated. Say tariff nkomo de ye fancy ni enko na ye kɔ enim no ade ba ko a me pese ebedi hu nkomo pa sa wasi results no otu wasi results yi.
Yeah, it's quite disturbing. For me, you know, I've always maintained. Me what formal school cry, na me can say the way a man I see access senior high school for no, I think it's not the best. And what Ghana for no, until obi bet me. Atena wa won sua hwe a month to the exams no atena se no odi baba no atete no 1 2 years no akopa so pass you buri so waben what you say but say can cumulatively decide the universities there no the first term first semester you obeye bia no you your factor no into assessment now I think say enka no babua on that note no mami da emra results no so kakra say eneye kasai about 50% and over in your access to tertiary institution. Why? Because of my fairly commerce, which is very, very disturbing. Very, very.
The mom, me cry social studies.
No a booster.
Oh,
social studies a booster.
Oh,
what I say?
Yeah, they saw the
young revising. I bet your social say because. Ya bra bomu ya setina mu
no cre
so I say you should be TV so the TV radio so you can
you will be ofie
and on the idea social studies so I say until your offer for my to me and social studies there it tells you say education standards eba form
ebi say blaming kwala no ebi say blaming teachers no
multifaceted friend
ebi say blaming NDC aban yese mo policy bi a mode bana intentionally mode failing kwala ne sa
courses ne doso factors na e ma sa sabi results we ba bonte no e doso one among them no you see the double track or whatever they call it, you know.
Okay.
Because education is a continuous process. Usuane no usua chana etoto aso hu we but akora to be usua de bosomi baako de otumi kotena fie bosomi mienu a unse that gap na wo ho no ebede na akora na kai you say you hu say omo exams no started from the very first time I go to school na dey be kire wo no popim the last time I go to school and the idea of questions na wakotena say if there appears to be a break so bosomi mienu tu kotena fie bosomi baako na otwe mienu tu kotena fie mreko awunsua hwe ya so and ha dwene then two omonim curriculum no ye de ba ye no I think say na the corresponding books you cry na omode besua de no cry na ni ho the latter part here of your exams here na I think say books and so by that is also another problem I also na ya address it then three encouraging so disciplinary measures be school mo no what so me say I was the senior boys prefect I was my school formal school I don't senior school me cha ada some telephone na me cha mo any school for no bra assistant headmaster twa machi pa twa toro bia senior boys prefect o adan ya wabusa CRS question wo class obi antumi me so me kan obi me so man tumi I didn't na me ESP na man tumi sa question lo papa e frame gina class ni na nim ship machi o wo ye ho basa o we no aso da ko journalist class ko ka chiro mo sa mo ESP no ko ma bono mo nyanche na me so these are all disciplinary measures. But there should be somewhat punitive measures. Akrania boni ayanchena so sabe Bible no Christopher Bible no cry.
But a man for said double track no was introduced in 2018.
Yes.
And 2020 Colano e passé.
Unia yawo me ba. That me say me be the points and ba. Sure those results are in the previous years in were massage results. Massage results. So what I say, massage result Dr. Nyabotre. Say if a whole education minister, it will cut up past questions in the man Korana. Minia, so many to exams, say education minister top past questions. People will grab these questions, you know. Thinking say a questions and directly crying a day. Ye questions are ye day. Ye ba. And to me, I am so that's I stand for correction, but many of them say, some questions in the brain Korana, and no one can any questions. Why questions in free? Because omu questions omu tro ye dingi na no enya West Africa questions so e Ghana nkwa na natural
say covid ne ba ye no na ye say omu introduce sa system no say enkola no right Ghana
agenda
o sa
agenda dey massage results
okay
me try there with university I'm a lecturer
yes
and Kwarani first year omuba na who encounter Kwarano and we have a way of assessing them
yes
what you say we have a way of assessing them you could see sir they were next to nothing so I just say before my school now unya from 6 to 15 I am a scholarship akwara bi nya 9 or nursing class and I'm now then I would on college scholarship because say me pe and I'm say nya pe na umpe you can't justify the scholarship you can't justify it because now na wanya no anya we effort so you can't go for the scholarship so what I say o hwe the output ni contribution in class on
deserving grade no the bar school no
what I say into many lecturers will attest to this fact unless of course you want to be partisan and I'm person be kind of correct in recent times students are in more the tertiary institutions you know who measure who assess you could see say SS1 wa mo bra bia wo ho so they say e jikodi pia mo ana ye de akọ then again enkwara na ebu mo fa so no ye fail students ye repeat students say wunya asen ko anim senior high school that is also a bad practice ye nyina ye nim secondary school ye ko bi wo fail wo be repeat you say the be ya obetena se no sua de ho ade ni ye na next time not me exams no ko wanim so these are the normal course na this time round no invigilation was so strict ya man kwan man kwara na fa no man enkwara omunya kwan di telephones examination hall no 653 ya twa omunya exams no and teachers who were also culpable in this offense no have been arrested and then they are ready for what prosecution so these are the measures that you go come and you expose the free SHS every time that is not to say you betray free SHS but we will function what free SHS you be man no man ya no na kwan so but for me me suggest say the way I see assess your friend you examine your senior high schools it's not the best
okay
you cumulative first term no be school exams so you factor no second up to the last term no you didn't na ka ho I don't constitute be 80% then the final exams will be 20% na be so okay you grade akwara no about the sana obesua de no ade no will be part of akwara no enya babadie ne past questions bia akwara bitimi tena da mu saa ebedu exam saa no pile past questions odie no akotworo no pass no awie two right pass and forget now they send it and education system dey here reforms and no and this abamoye no
doc miniel
but my home messages be from Dennis Kwakwa hono so ne wonya adwene double track was introduced in 2018 you can compare results na a different say
that Dennis Kwakwa Dennis no adwene so that
dog wa bi tewe results yemblemi kwala na say yemblemi teachers na yemblemi aban
Ghana ye hu ne ten
adentia
from O level edibesi SSC edibesi wasi
nti enye double track
afibia ye onkomo ayedi
okay
one desire afibia in a literal way no language for no tiemi etoda yesi afiwe de mofra no yade o afifufro bi mofra no anyade
kra
yearly that is the conversation we've been having.
It's true
from time immemorial sa kasa we na ye ka no what the mathematicians and statisticians now so on line grapher e just say be say pa
nesane ne ko nesane
that has been kasa na ye ka no afiwe de mofra ne yade afiwe de mofra na anyade no what the statistician dia this is the graph
no, yes
you get what the point is
it's true
eti ufa free SHS no kra ufa year na ye implement free SHS na enye se performance na ayese ya o mi wo figures no ha bi emreti
okay
enye se performance no ayese ya ayese na ayese na ayese that has been what the point is
Matthias say
na this year no performance no in relative terms enye no ye benchmark no nipa na okofa this discourse okofa this argument in buy or benchmarking this year's performance to that of 2024 year last year and also students no anya de enipa no we technocrat kum a politician na at the point our this hard discourse we ban he was in his political element was share party delegate
Okay.
ɛyɛ Dr. Educhum.
Doctor Osei Educhum, yes.
What's the point?
Yes.
Ɛna ɔmɛki ɛyi for political capital. Ɔbɛ sɔ ɔkyerɛ sɛ.
No pencil or mobile with incentives. To pass questions. Teacher for no crown or more allowances be a name more an extra a ye buanqualano. Yes.
Ɛna ɔkɔ statement. The most ridiculous because that's some way Monday or sister station be now hosting any other panel guys in any menyabi. The most ridiculous bogus letter I have ever seen. Na yami ya Madam for Danny mo be you see. Na mnini na child or college and I call UPSC. Asana meba Amsterdam.
Okay.
And NDC by wenya PRO GS.
Okay.
Who or a communication person. Danny mo be you see. This is the me who am saying Daniel where they what team.
Okay, they also say.
Sa letter now or Trebabe catcher say this is the true reflection.
Okay, yeah.
Of the students' performance.
Yes.
What's the point? You GS for you are the technical people. Allow us to do our politics. Now we want the technical perspective of the actuals on the ground.
He's been realistic.
What you say? Technical people for no conversations. No, the politician. Say obi kowiamu.
Let's say a poor.
I'm saying that is the most ridiculous, bogus analysis everybody.
Previous years.
That's the way.
According to you.
Maybe I'm saying the performance, free yaw pontim reso.
Yes.
Yeah, nanum and I local language in the can say a few more fana idea. A few way more fana. Statistically, no, would any mathematician and statistician be now say draw graph. That literal say that graph ni be. It means that we have never gotten a constant
straight line. It's true.
What the point is? NSC and I'm saying free SHS no crowd by no. Our mono de sharp pony way no. The performance has never been a straight line.
Yeah.
It has always been fluctuating. And it's a OGS Nina Oya technical people. I was a politicians near you. Who more political your friends a technical perspective no. Also by politics to say this is the true reflection. What if next year students in a performance a cost based on historical trajectory? A kosra, that will be what? And are they impugning? Since they say the students in each or failure is the true reflection. Now we a teacher in now tell me a Muji's director, and was some way demonstration tell you know why? Because a Guasia would good teachers from GS for Muna more training students, Muna Momo products. And a more training more teacher, you can GS any teachers for no.
Yes.
Muna more teach students, no. And a more students na come WAEC.
So WAEC so more.
And so more. And a WAEC for no day in Soheno Abba. What the point I say? And a politician need to move for says I'm so way ye. Mo anya de indictment on more teacher for no more juma.
No correct.
In a way no. It was some more GS come let anybody and a way of buffer or defense.
It's true.
Mama Bekachre says our performance we need the true reflection there. A baby na ichamu dia mu GS for no. Na mu treman kran. That is the interpretation of the letter. That is the argument. Now, so you see, instead of Entina Ghana hands solve problem there no. Instead of the technical people to allow give technical advice and proffer good solutions. No. When the politicians are doing politics, they also join the tree. And that's our problem.
So they were appointed by politicians.
I didn't know politicians.
They were appointed by
Danny.
Okay.
What if I say?
He's being realistic. That is all. He's being real.
See, next year, and mama was practically he said free yam ponting breast. Yeah, we fear case and crana idea. I feel there were myriad of factors. And man craftily. But then yamfa expertise enya hwe. When keba we no, your uncle form educational historians.
Yes.
What the point is?
Ya sample omo.
Ya fa omo say this particular group no e dey no mo fail me nua ba ko Dr. Ade Amanfo. Why educational historian baby a ye be assemble mo hwe die nti ankra we performance na nko yi. Wo be come no wo trace 3 years back e bi omo penso teachers call strike omo penso BBC you see say enu na bi e cause we.
Matia say
na yeti ane eto ayampia.
Medam ase gentlemen and ope medam ase pa.
Na this form pa bibi man nye.
Fine no.
Otu appointment they say Julius oho. Honorable Julius Debra. Pokwa Jiman. Now no weekend mi hunu Kumasi.
Yeah,
weekend yes. Now she spent quite some time in Kumasi and
na me sra man no ma me nsre ye me see positions ni bo a your friend Yanku ni asew ezo o mahun se communicators ni bo ofu edutu wa bia ni akofa national health insurance ayi position bi your friend is a PRO ni e dia ma sa position e deliberate ye di ma wa lecture menye we obro so
oh that's it
anya hwefra wa nya do bebo
oh do yake to be ma no
dabi ye dia mo mo yi ni dia ye wa ni ye bu enu ma sa position your friend Yanku ni asew ni e bu enu ma sefra
ene de campaign say
ya medamase ozavo moti ojo chapon kana moti Dr. Simon Boakye so enka medamase. Happy birthday to Beatrice Piogabra. Ghana Journalists Association Ashanti Region chapter no on ye secretary anameboa ano ye vice chairperson no as Beatrice ye secretary be happy birthday wate mama nyame onsra and happy birthday to Danny Opokuantwi NPP USA American chapter no yese opese opre organizer na any birthday nti Danny happy birthday to you and a happy birthday to a good year from Poma happy birthday from Buffalo Trent a good year happy birthday and a special birthday to Sheila of Kintampo Systematic Press of Sompa also happy birthday to Dr. Pargrave Boakye Dankwa or a member of a NPP communication team saso eka team Kennedy Japan account wakeneti ohun in happy birthday and a happy birthday to Nana Akosa Yadom former NADMO director Asukwa from Geofrex Boating of Asukwa and a happy birthday to Nana Jua of Kumasi IPT and Nana Jua of Kumasi IPT happy birthday from Burma Udru and a happy birthday to Mary Senior and Mary Junior matese say senior na ye teacher ni no and a junior so ye adwuma Hope Exchange Medical Hospital e Santase inti happy birthday amata mo happy birthday pa nyame nhramo and a happy birthday to Teresa Jesse aka Amesa of United Kingdom London miami nua ose Kofi Akwa CPP National Communication Officer and also my happy birthday o say daddy Lumba nya Teresa bebresa ono no nya Teresa Jesse aka Amesa na omo special birthday Amesa and a happy birthday to Nana Ya Asantua of MTN Kijetia branch Nana Ya Asantua MTN Kijetia branch from your sister Inspector Akosia Redua Echampon of Dovsu Kronom Police Station. Happy birthday. But for the most, I say sorry so a sports team.